Okay, hello everyone, this is the InDesign CC tutorial. Go to application, find the InDesign folder, okay, and inside there's a kind of square ID, it's the InDesign icon. You can double click and you can open InDesign CC. Okay, so let's go to the file, new, and document. Okay, so InDesign we will create document in the print, okay, most time, and this time we need the 3 pages, and this will be letter size. And facing pages, it means you have a right and left side, like a page. It's like a book or magazine, okay. But if you just need a single page, if you don't need it, but this time we need the 3 pages, facing pages and letter size. And then we need the 1 column for this one, and the margin, it has a kind of purple kind of line. It helps us to organize everything inside. So think about the book. You don't want to put anything in the edge, it'll be hard to read. You don't want to put anything outside, okay. So you don't have to change anything except 3 pages, letter size. Okay, let's click, and if you don't see this one, click the preview, click open. Okay, so this is our new document, and right click and inches, and the right click inches. Okay, so we're gonna work with the kind of inches. So in this tutorial, I will teach how to import text and image. Okay, so go to the file. So we'll use place. So InDesign, unless you are typing or unless you actually drawing any object in InDesign, everything will be linked. So everything will be bring outside. Okay, so we will use this place. This command D, place, is a very important tool in InDesign, the place. So let's click inside InDesign. There's a tutorial folder. There's a number 1, creating a document, and click text 1, click open. So if you just click, it will use this whole kind of document, right? So I'm gonna just kind of make it smaller, give you room, and I want to import another image. Okay, so in that case, I want to make sure just click any empty area. So make sure that deselect about text. Go to the file and place, and click image 1, open. Just click, and you will see that this is huge. I'm gonna show here. Okay, so this is happened when you just kind of place it, if you just click, okay. But these two, actually it'll be hard to work with it. So this is the first one. Just click everything, you know, you place, you're gonna place to the here. This is one way. I'm gonna show another way. So I'm in this selection tool as a V or escape. I want to select the both, and I'm gonna click delete. Okay, command option 0. I'm gonna come back to the first page, go to the file in place, and I'm gonna go to text 1, open. And before I click, I want to make a square. So I want to place it here. So I'm gonna give you area first, and then release your mouse, and then here. Okay, I'm gonna deselect. I'm gonna deselect by just clicking this empty area, and I'm gonna go to the file and place, and I want to click this image 1, open. Before you release it, I also want to just drag to make sure that the size exactly I want. So I want to match with this width. Release it. Okay, so now it's much more easy to deal with. I don't need to bring the image like a huge. I need exactly size. So I highly recommend you can do place like here. So what does it mean? You need to go there and the place, the second one, click the open, and you need to create the box first, and will be bring this image will be inside the box. Okay, so make a box first and release it. This is much more easier. Okay, and let's deal with our text. Okay, so our text is here. So in the text, you can go to this type tool, or if you just kind of click of any of the text, like double click, you can have a kind of text tool. So in InDesign, text tool will be the top. There will be all the kind of type related tool, and then this is all about kind of paragraphing. So will be the top, will be very easy. Okay, so everything Helvetica, and I want to change our services to increase type size to the 25, and I want to change with the light, and I want to change color to the green. Okay, and next one, landscape design. I want to change with the bold, and I want to change with the 15. I want to change with the same green. This is all about landscape. And landscape contracting, I'm gonna go to Helvetica, bold, 15, and I want to change the color as green. Okay, and I want to select all, or you can click Command A, select all, and I want to change to leading to the 18, give you a little bit more space. Command Option 0, so I'm gonna show the here. Okay, so everything's Helvetica in here, everything's regular, but our service, I change it to light, 25, green color. Landscape design, Helvetica, bold, 15, green color. Landscape contracting, Helvetica, bold, 15, in green. And everything, all the leading, I increase to the 18. Okay, we're gonna repeat. Okay, in this point, I want you to hold Shift key, or if you go to this hand, and I want to go to this second and third page. Command Option 0. Okay, so we will also place text and image, but in a different way. Okay, let's go to T as a type tool, and I want you to draw the column, the vertical column up to the 4. Okay, so that's so before we placing anything, we want to have a kind of design first, or kind of placeholder first. Okay, and I want to deselect, and I want to go to this rectangle frame tool. I'm gonna go to rectangle frame tool and just double click. This is rectangle, and I want to create, the width is 4 inch and height will be 2.69 inch. 2.69 inch. Click OK. Okay, so I want to move. Okay, I think that's actually big. Okay, let me change. This one will be, width will be up to here, kind of 3. So this will be kind of 3 inch. I want to give it a little bit more space. So I'm gonna click this rectangle tool, has a kind of X shape, and hold the Option key. I want to duplicate, and I want to duplicate. Or you can click Command C, Command V, will be works too. And I want to make sure that if you kind of drag on the top, you will see it make a kind of even. So basically this is design I want to do. This will be our text, and these 3 will be my image. Okay, so first one, I active of my text area, text frame. Go to the file, place, and I want to click text 1, click open. You see this is already active, so everything will be here. And second one, I'm just click active this rectangle frame, go to the file, place, click image 1, open. And when you click this image 1, actually there are fill frame proportionally. Okay, I want to click fill frame proportionally. Okay, it means before it was big, right? But now it kind of fit to the frame. Okay, second one, go to the file, place, image 2, open. I want you to click this fill frame proportionally. If you cannot find it here, and you just need to kind of make a wider of this kind of top area, or if you go to object, there's a fitting and fill frame proportionally. So you can find either way. object fitting fill frame proportionally here, or if you find this kind of icon, fill frame proportionally. Okay, and third rectangle frame, I select first. So select active is ready. So your frame is ready, and go to the file, place, and if you go to the image and click open. So I'm gonna kind of show that, but somehow if you want to add more images, okay? But if you're not free, you know, if you still kind of select with this one, if you somehow accidentally click another image, it'll be replaced, okay? So make sure before you bring it, make sure you are selecting only the empty one, not the existing one. Okay, so this one we're gonna repeat again. Okay, so what I need, so this one I want to change with light, I want to change with 25, right? And I want to change with the green color. And landscape design, I want to change it to the bold, will be 15, and green color. Landscape contracting, I'm going to change with the bold, I'm going to change with 15, and change with the kind of green color. Okay, and this whole thing I want to select it, and the leading will be 18. Okay, and one more thing, I don't like to be the hyphen, so I'm gonna go to the paragraph formatting in here, and I want to uncheck hyphenated. Okay, so this is kind of second version. Okay, and let's do the third one. So this time let's go to T as a type tool, and I want to have a text in the bottom here. Okay, and I'm gonna just deselect, I'm gonna go to Eclipse frame and click, and I want to have an Eclipse 3.5 and 3.5. Click OK. So ESC for the V is a selection tool. I'm gonna select it, and I want to have my rectangle here, and hold the Option key, just drag, make a duplicate, or you can have a Command C, copy, Command V as duplicate. Either way works. Okay, so this time I want to put the two images here, and text will be here. Let's just start with a image. So I'm gonna click this one, and this circle image frame is active. Okay, and go to the file, in place, I want to select image number 4. Click open. Okay, it's inside. I don't like to be that. I want to fill it. So you can click on the top, fill frame proportionally, or you can go to the object, fitting, fill frame proportionally. Either way work. Okay, and I'm gonna click the second one, second circle image frame. Go to the file, place, image number 5, click open. It's the same thing happen. So I can click fill frame proportionally, or you can go to object, fitting, fill frame proportionally. Okay, so I have two images inside of the circle. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm active about this my text frame. This is text box. You see that there's kind of O, and I'm gonna go to the file and place, and click text number 1, click open. So here's my text. So I'm just gonna make a zoom in to work. Okay, let's do that. So our service, I'm gonna go to in the top as A. This one will be the light, this will be 25, and this will change to the green color. Okay, landscape design, I'm gonna change to the bold, and I'm gonna change to the 15, and I'm gonna change to the green color. And landscape contracting, and I'm gonna change to the bold, I'm gonna increase to the 15, and I'm gonna change to the green color. Okay, and I'm gonna select all. I will change leading to the 18. Okay, and go to the paragraph. I don't like to be hyphenated. Okay, that looks more cleaner. So Command Option 0, I can see the all together. So you see, I'm gonna drag with a kind of that bar. So this is kind of first one. When I do placing, you make a kind of box first, release it. Make an empty box and release it. So you can import or place text or image the size you want. You don't want to be too big, okay? And this second and third page, you want to create frame first. Okay, think about the book design. So, oh, this will be my text will be here. Oh, my image, 3 rectangle image will be the right side. Okay, and this one, the round shape or circle shape image on the top, and my text will be here. So with the T as a type, this type tool, you're gonna create text frame first, and then this rectangle or ellipse tool or polygon frame tool, you can kind of create image frame first. Okay, that looks good. Let's go to the file, save. So I want you to save inside of the creating document, and this will be docu number 1 and place and your name. So this is docu number 1, place and your name, and this will be in the InDesign CC 2017 document. Okay, so it'll be open in our lab computer, anything with the CC 2017, but will not open in CC 2015 or CS5 or CS6 or CS4. So if you have like older version at home, if you want to work with it, you might want to open save as InDesign CS4 or later. But as a tutorial, we want to save InDesign CC 2017 document, and everything should be same kind of folder, and click save. Okay, so this is InDesign file. It's the same as the Photoshop, same as AI Illustrator. It's just kind of working file. It is great for you to revise, keep working. But if you want to print, if you want to send the preview, this will be not good. Maybe your boss or your friend maybe doesn't have InDesign, or have InDesign but maybe doesn't have InDesign 2017. Okay, go to the file, export, and we want to export as PDF. So most time we will export with this auto PDF print, and this will be kind of same name, and save. And we will just using like high quality print. Everything seems fine, so just make sure view PDF after exporting so we can check as PDF. Okay, and other option I'll explain later, but you don't have to change anything. Click export, and then your PDF will be kind of open after that. So this is first page, this is the second one, and this is third one. That looks good. This is the end of tutorial.